To add money to your Hercules laundering card, start by going online to the Hercules homepage at washboard.hercnet.com. From there, select Account Registration and enter the required information, including your Hercules laundry card number and verification code. Then tap Register. After receiving a notification that you've successfully registered, click Continue to register your credit card and fill in the required information. Next, click on the Register Credit Card button, followed by the Add Value button, and select the desired amount from the drop-down menu. Click Submit, then note down the value code that will be sent to you. Head to the laundry room, enter your card into the coded value adder, and key in the value code to add value to your card. Alternatively, you can add value through credit card swipe. Place your Hercules card in the revaluating unit holder to display your balance. Then swipe your credit or debit card on the magnetic strip to the left. Select your preferred amount and follow the on-screen instructions until you receive an Add to Card successful message, at which point you can remove your Hercules card. By following these steps, you can easily add money to your Hercules laundry card.